yɛmfa ntoa so ɛnra yɛbɛka kyerɛ mo sɛ House of Folk ayɛ appointment na ɔmo anya a new managing director in Mr. Julius Ben Emunah. Na appointment ne ba na Kwame Oparado na kasa edema aye House of Folk wakasa dia for panini asese yo na be managing director dia ma House of Folk no on the expectations opinion so ofi say oba on board you betimi dia beboa ama House of Folk etimi akọ enka ne mfantie bi na fe yewi ba bi e pese discuss e de efa no yahwe na afi actually adwen e dia fa yente Kwame Oparado on the new managing director no.
Oshe Julius, the experience in footballer or the bar on board, he speaks a lot. This is somebody that understands football. This is somebody that has studied football. This is somebody that has very high knowledge in the modern practices of football. And Jidipa say, you know, put them back the unbelievable club together with his media background and any other causes are why football mono. Or the bass unbelievable club. What it simply says is that it's a positive path. It means that we are looking beyond the stage we find ourselves now. Then the mayor will be able to continue to achieve that preeminent status that we've always been working for. Julius is a true phobia. Sebi, and just a phobia no or the two that would do to and on so making sure that at the airport. Maybe I will, you know. I had to say a dream come true that team was support to where the HR eventually probably a mama team as I could it gives you in itself extra motivation to continue to work because you want to succeed at a place that now we should say
okay, and to Kwame Oparado, customer for the House of Folk, and now Casadia for Penny was opening now, but I mean, about a good year no football and Casano Tiasie, the expertise is there, and and yet Jim Crown farm opening, we are not Tunchaya. Also, a true House of Folk, and a new Biaka, you will not to club him, and I will be a one to club no sound him dear, near such a position at Yamano, a GDS opening bar. Bibi abekoye edi ama a House of Folk any the new managing director de ma ayetima amonso no etimi akofa no de na abano. Now to me question ala so wuti de Kwame Oparado e Kenya openi no obano I mean oye well versed onim de no ho atiase wabene ebano football administration ni bibia and na osanso a true and true a House of fun and our Baba Jidmediano as at the margin a director. But previously, the young penny from some Banano could have the same yarn of the buy. Magnunan, Frederick Moore, at the Laru Ankuya, Okoya, Yakofo Penny Dinabe. I mean, these are people more banana expectations, no. I was sure. But again, only as of for Nedin come almost say, some penny for any more mobile man successful need no. At a toxic environment system in favor of more into a mobile do the incommit my club in no mobile in fact now do you know as I be a ho dear in the House of working yet send be your penny on us were successful dear Kwame Oparado again.
Okay, as I'm not very kind of mood I am thinking about how best that and confirm German bone na me communication no ebeka in sempot in ambesa meka Rich me hunu say has almost structure na o sisi no se o fa no sene eye adwuma Sebronika say the operation of it, and yes, said that people so no send a Juma DNCT no. Se offer ni Juma D send a city na ode air trobi bi book so. I think has a war to be afede as the executive chairman. Make executive chairman make obia or double as the board chairman and the head of management. enunti enka under normal circumstances se Oshe has problems pa Rich Julius at best within the household structure. Say if a structure ever solve your problem, should be the administrative manager.
Okay.
I said yeah, maybe a chemuna Emmanuel Dasuberi Ayama Kotokono. Yes.
One can be fitting.
Yes. And that is the job he's coming to do. He will be there at the secretariat offering administrative expertise to the team. But the bigger problem of putting in place a corporate structure as the managing director, commercial targets. Say has he needs sponsors, has need to raise this amount of money. And also ultimately empress. And also ultimately making sure say has a sustainable business. There is a reason why even in the house communique, I announce it, Julius, the communique doesn't extend to those areas. But that is what house needs power. I am not saying they don't need Julius. Rich, every club will need a Julius in his team. Because say Eba administration, he is one of the best in the country. He is one of the best. Why you more CAF, why you more GFA, why you more safety and security committee, why you competitions committee chairman, why you more as a manager for the club licensing. He is a true and true football person, administratively. But me issue ni say, see a to secretariat ni we ni a to club ni we are. Rich, who puts together the club's image, ni resource, ni history, and say I will raise funds for the club because Bibia has it comes down to Sikasam. And until some improvement in house, Rich, then it must be a house of focus. As that say a chin one free, dada ye ko to go for the wako giska. Me busao any house of folk fans. With your knowledge about Julius, does he have the competence to raise funds for us to start the liberation of club and say in Kakra, ebe winning himself out of Togbe's pockets to run the club? Does he have that competence? No. He's an administrator. He can manage the club. Player registration, way, you meet this requirement, you meet way, you cholet, we are command correspondence. Yeah, come. Club no is in a very, very good health administratively. But has problem today doesn't end with just administrative work. It goes beyond that. House needs to be a sustainable business. Rich. And now I can say house or transfer ban. Sikasam. House the nipple sika. Sikasam. House entiminto quality. Sikasam. Bibia ama house of folk kotoko. Any league niko from biano. Sikasam. Anunti. The ultimate appointment for a class must be fundraisers. People who can raise money. Eba administration now. Rich. Say Yenya Akoto. Now or you're supported by Yenya Ima. Kotoko doesn't have administrative problems. When was the last time I want to say yes, Kotoko a committee administrative blunder? They also have lawyer Safuduku as a legal brain. They don't have a problem. Has with Julius will never have a problem with administrative matters. No.
But when it comes to marketing,
yes,
yeah, commercialization,
no. Obia. You see, the point that the I'm starting to say is, in the operations of House of Folk Administration, you know, Mimi who is said to be a double as the board chairman and the head of the management in the NSA. Rich, I will want to see has name Obia of free corporate world neighbor. Ni CV and ni mudru no wo indirectly tell to go to shift.
Obey.
That is the problem. Who comes in with a big corporate CV, bold enough to meet the house board and say, look, shifts, remain on the board, give me your KPIs, tell me how many I was raising within 3 years. Sign as the CEO of the club. And we send a book club on the send a we don't come and wait at the door of Tobe and say, Akatia time as soon one shot check Amaya and Kuti. Has to see Omupe DM, Omupe striker. You discover your ASEC. Almost say $150,000. Hey, yen TV because they say yen do. That is where House of Folk and Kotoko must get to.
That's how the previous woman Yenyebi, the Lali and go by.
You see,
our marketing background. She will be to suffer the more.
You see,
she Magnuna no.
You see, that is what I'm saying. Say, they need someone who can shake the structure. Here, Macnunan buy. Someone say Macnunan time and no change house logo. No. Macnunan had a lot of commercial ideas. Was he able to implement them?
No.
And Macnunan time now Umbro has got partnership with them. You could see saying. House will need a consistent Macnunan. Somebody who will challenge the status quo until the right things are done. House in here will be our own. Me, no I don't follow the public when they seems to criticize Elijah Kambi and Odoteno. But Rich, I am saying, say, anybody worth his salt as a CEO will draw the line for Odotei and Akambi, whether they owe allegiance to the board chairman, no problem. But so far as me na me CEO no, things I was a me and follow within my job description, you don't come there if I've not invited you.
I say it's one moment getting the day to the administration of the team. No,
I'm not saying it's Omo, but I've already given you the premise. Me say me who has sent your more run a club no. Say Togbe is both the board chairman and the head of management. Yeah. And Ono as the head of management in errand boys.
Exactly.
It is
on your body now.
Say who will be our or your quasi head of management. Now on the errand boys. Errand boys in quotation, and yet disrespect to Odote. I respect him so much. I respect Elijah Kambi. But I'm saying, say, I'm running the protocols at the man. Now, so over here, MD. Rich, how do you fix your MD office to a system that has a quasi CEO of a sort? I want to name penning for running the protocols in correspondence with your office. The clashes are too many. Until before over to you know, now you have to report to Elijah Kambi on recruitment. Because on moment and before you get to go to give you the check, so sign player. The convincing must come from Akambi to Togbe. Then where do you come in as a general manager? And ultimately, yes, I don't know because the money now was say yeah, the quiet no. So you have to trust the allies to get to him for the money.
Are you now position a ceremony?
You get it. Until now, I say you come in big, the office and the chair is there, but in the normal functioning of Wajumano, Rich, you have to succumb to the system to get what you want to do, whatever it is.
They okay. How's it for Pedigree?
They know.
In still no, that's what you are. So problem no ban.
That is the reason why Omunti means over here.
The Bianamo general manager, MD, why? So the same problem.
Exactly.
Solve the problem.
Because look, general manager is just like a CEO or an implementer of policies. He doesn't formulate his own policies. And Julius Wabe, he is only coming to lead the implementation of the board policies. Yeah. Yes, your meeting. If they introduce him, all that the meeting will go with ASA, they will tell him this is our policies. Until he just implement it. And I say, Metuana, me dream, and I may dream Kotoko situation with coaching. And I may be some who say, Rich, look, Kotoko, a big club has a big club no. We are not ready for the conversation. I remember Yajatum say no. Your pharmacy say, if any time there's a conversation about Kotoko coaching job biano, Rich, one Ali, one Mamelodi Sundowns, one young Gamone Simbamo, one Pyramid mo, RS Bekanimo.
Rich,
you mean so Oko? One the pedigree of the coaches who coach those clubs. They are the same coaches that can coach African countries, Mibusao can Kotoko pick a Kosiapia and say, or your Kotoko coach.
Kosiapia don't money,
but I say, Sir Osha, the standard of the big clubs of Africa. They pick coaches, or pedigree, no standard, no. Equal to coaching national teams of African continent. Kosiapia is one of them, that category. But have you, what you know that say? Would there be a time that will come over Solana Paris Kotoko announce say, look, pay a high level African coach and a pedigree. I was sort to say coach Ali near the no.
Maybe a pixel maximani be.
So we've appointed Akosiapia.
I mean,
Bema wo Junso